cancel score or cancel play. Visible count. Communication. Shot clock reset. Held ball or jump ball situation. Traveling. Illegal dribble or double dribbling. Illegal dribble, carrying the ball. 3 seconds violation. 5 seconds violation. 8 seconds violation. 24 seconds shot clock violation. Backcourt violation. Kicking the ball violation. Holding foul. Blocking foul in defense and illegal screen in offense. Pushing foul. Hand checking foul. Illegal use of hands. Illegal head contact. Stop the clock. Stop the clock for foul. Start the clock or start the game ball. 1 point. 2 points. 3 points. 1 arm attempt. Both arms successful. Substitution of the player. Beckoning in. Charge timeout. Media timeout.